So let's address the manipulation currently unfolding in the tarot community. It's clear how far some will go to conceal their deceptive practices. Gang stalking, by design, is meant to be invisible, allowing perpetrators to dismiss targets as crazy. And the stalking is often only apparent to the target. And as one, I am here to confirm its reality and provide tangible proof of these tactics. The tarot readers I will highlight are deeply involved in this corruption and will go to any lengths to hide their participation. Well, think about it. Who would use slander, character assassination, and covert bullying, all disguised within tarot readings? It's only cowards, right? And why engage in covert bullying while pretending to be virtuous? Well, it reeks of covert narcissism. Some may lack the discernment to see through these tactics, and it's okay. I myself am fully aware that this narcissist will try to flip the script, dismissing my observations by claiming the readings are general, and will accuse me of being narcissistic for thinking everything is about me. Well, it might seem that way, but there's much more to it. Something far more insidious. So let's discuss the star reader who did this reading yesterday. Well, I'm not claiming every reading targets me, but I recognize the manipulation in certain readings. For example, they often create a villain character in their narratives, accusing them of thinking someone else is a gold digger. However, if you listen closely, you'll notice they are the ones constantly describing someone as a gold digger. And if you think about it, the villain they are projecting is actually themselves. So I called out this reader's manipulation. This pattern isn't exclusive to one tarot reader. It's common among many involved in my targeting. So they will craft narratives about villains, but upon a closer examination, they are merely projecting their own actions. And in conclusion, they're just scapegoating others to deflect responsibility. So after my comment, tied up to this reading, well, someone responded with an exclamation mark. And I noticed that this person's username was Die Slowly. So recognizing the username, I confronted the person. And I said that it's so gangster to have that as a username. So for those who are unaware, gang stalking is a form of no-touch torture. It's a covert persecution designed to make the target suffer and often to the point of wanting to die slowly. So I'm not afraid. I will not be silenced by these actions. And I am fully aware that someone wants me dead and that spiritual means have been employed to harm me.